voice, and maybe, educate. Together, animate each morning light outside your family's house in New Orleans East. Birds there. They can't be outsung. They're as pure and ever changing in their melodies